In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search jobs by company on Glassdoor. Company Search 2026. Open your browser and head to glassdoor.com. Make sure you're on the official site so your search tools and filters work as expected. If the homepage prompts you, it's best to log into your Glassdoor account. I'll keep this quick. Use your usual sign-in method, and once you're in, you'll be able to save searches and see more tailored results. On the homepage, take a moment to get oriented. At the top, you'll see the main navigation. Find the Jobs option in that top navigation bar and click it. This takes you to the job search area, where you can explore roles across titles, locations, and companies. Next, choose Search. Depending on your layout, you might already be in the search view. In the search fields, enter the job title you're interested in, like software engineer or marketing manager. In the location field, type the country, city, or select remote if you're aiming for work from anywhere roles. Starting with a clear title and a realistic location helps Glassdoor surface the most relevant matches. Now look for the filter icon, usually near the top of the results page. Click it to open the full set of filters. This is where you can fine-tune your results and, most importantly for this tutorial, target jobs by employer. Inside the Filters panel, browse for the Companies filter. It may appear as companies or employers, and sometimes it's a drop-down or a searchable list. Open it to see available companies related to your current search. If there's a search box within this filter, type the company name to jump straight to it. Be precise with spelling, and if the company has multiple divisions or subsidiaries, you may see several closely named options. Select the company you want. As soon as you check that company, your results will update to show roles from that employer only, based on your chosen title and location. If you select multiple companies, you'll see listings from all of them. Keep an eye on the results count to understand how much you've narrowed your search. If nothing appears, try a slightly broader job title or expand the location from a city to a region or country while keeping the company filter in place. That's it. You've used Glassdoor's job search with the company's filter to focus your results by employer. Apply the filter, review the updated listings, and you're ready to explore roles that match both your skills and your target company.